Hello viewers, welcome to this video in which we'll see how to shorten any URL. Now of course you must have an idea what URL is. URL is nothing but it is a uniform resource locator. Very commonly it is called as a web address. That means whatever is being placed on a web, it is having a unique ID or unique address, and that is available in the form of a URL. But quite oftenly, this URL is a bit cryptic or long. So quite frequently we'll need to either shrink this URL or shorten this URL. In some softwares or in some apps, we can say there is already a facility of shortening this URL, and what that facility is we'll try to see. So I'll switch myself onto Google. Okay, so in a Google you must have seen you have something, and that is a form. So whenever you have designed any form and you have to send this form to anybody, so you can send it by using something, and that is I'll click on send. I have to choose this option, and that is option of link. I'll click on that link. So this is the link I have. So this is the URL, and of course there is an option something shorten URL. So I can choose this, or I can copy this URL so that I can send it to anybody. But again I'd like to say one thing. Even if I have copied this URL, you can note it out that this URL is again, the difficult thing with this URL is in this URL I was having some letters available in lowercase, some letters are available in a capital, small, and again this URL is a case sensitive. You will need to type it exactly in the same way, and for this reason in a previous video we have seen we can convert this URL into something, and that is a link which can be clicked by any user. Okay, we have seen hyperlink and how we can create an hyperlink, that we have seen. So we have another way to shorten this URL. So of course, although it is a shorten, but you can still shorten this URL by using a website, and we'll move on to that website. So for shortening a URL, although you have multiple options available, you have lot many options available for shortening your URL, but still option which is free. What I'm going to tell you will be the option, and that is a free option. So it is nothing but tinyurl.com. It is a website which will allows you to shrink your URL, to shorten your URL, and that too free. So we'll straight away see how you can shorten or how you can shrink your URL. So for that again I have to move myself onto Google, and I'll simply type something, and that is a tinyurl.com. So this is the site, tinyurl, tinyurl.com. So I'll type it. So this is a very simple screen you will get before you. You have to enter your URL over here. So you'll need to enter your URL at this location. So I'll simply click over here. The URL I have copied just now, and that is for the form. In addition to that, you have another option available, custom allies. Suppose some type of allies, something is needed in that URL, so you can place this. So just like I have told you, in a URL whatever we have shortened already, so in that we have a lot many things available. Just like I have told you, some letters are capital, small, some special characters are there, some numerals, numbers are there. So to avoid that, what I am using, I'll try to straight away place something FDPCS SGBAU, a very simple thing, FDPCS SGBAU. So that type of thing I have placed, and I'll simply click on make tiny URL. So obviously if that URL is available, so you can directly get that URL. So you can note over here, now my new URL is, and I'll copy it first of all. So copy to clipboard, I'll copy my URL, and again we'll move to the Word, and you can check it out. As compared to the previous one, the better is in this URL I just don't have capital letters, I just don't have numerals, I just don't have a special characters also. So straight away in a simple FDPCS SGBAU. So if you are getting, even I can write my name also, Rajesh. Okay, suppose the URL by that name is present, it is allowing me, and this way it is allowing me to shorten my URL. Now of course the most important thing, whether this shorten URL is working or not, we'll check it out. So I'll copy it. I'll try to place it. I'll try to make a hyperlink of that. So again, right click, hyperlink. I'll paste it, and I have pasted. Okay, so you can check over here, this link is getting converted into a blue one. Okay, so this indicate that now my hyperlink is ready, and we'll check it out whether it is working or not. And you can check it out. Okay, so it is loading, and this is the registration form. Of course registration are closed, so for this reason it is showing. So this way, by using a very simple site, and that is a tiny URL. Okay, of course if you have not chosen the thing, just like I have given in the previous example, what we have made, we have pasted the thing. Okay, if you have not given customize option, customize, so it is going to create it by its own. So make tiny URL, so automatically it is going to create a tiny URL of its own as per his need. Just like it is showing me, okay, this is the tiny URL which has been created. You can create some another URL in this way also. Just like I'll move on to YouTube. I'll choose any video from that YouTube. Suppose this is the video. I'll choose some video like, I'll try to type my name only over here. Rajesh Bhoya. Mouse pointer. So mouse pointer video. So suppose this is the video I have taken. Now I'll copy the URL of that. Okay, once I have copied that URL, the next task again will go on to tiny URL. I'll paste it over here. So this is the URL I have pasted, and I'll make it a make tiny URL. Okay, so idea is that this way it is going to create, convert my URL. You have to simply, this is the URL he has created, y4djc8vp. So this way you can copy it. Another better thing is, just like I have told you, in this particular URL created, you just don't have a capital letters available. So I'll type it out, and I will check it out whether it is working. Yes, proceed to the site, and you can check it out. So this way you can shrink, or you can shorten any URL by using this very simple software, and that is a tinyurl.com. So please try to use it wherever you'll need to reduce the size of your URL. Thank thank you very much for watching my